welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to use related function inside a measure. Now for that, let's first recall what related function was. Related function was used to bring a related column in one table from any other table. In this example, suppose here product key is there. Now, if we want to extract something from the product table, we can use this product keys path from sales table to product table and bring a related column from there to here. Now, suppose if we need to calculate a scalar value and we don't really need the column for any other purpose, then we can create a measure, a scalar value without even bringing a column to this table. So how to do that? Let's create a measure and understand how we can do that. So over here, we'll take example of total sales and understand how can related function work inside a measure. So we'll create total sales equals to, now for total sales, we need order quantity into product price. Now product price is not present here, it is present in the product table. But we need that for this calculation purpose only, and apart from that there is no use of product price in sales table. So we can use SUMX over here, SUMX, and we can write my table would be AW sales. What we need is, first we need to do row by row calculation of order quantity into product price, and then we need the aggregation. That's why we are using this iterator function instead of normal sum function. So we need order quantity into related product price. Now, if we do that, what it will do is, it will go to the first row, it will pick this order quantity, then it will go and search for this product key in the product table. Wherever it is getting a match, it will extract the product price from there and multiply this to order quantity. Now, this will repeat for each and every row for this sales table. After making this virtual column of order quantity into product price, it will add that virtual column. It will not make any column over here. Virtually, it will multiply order quantity into product price row by row in this sales table and then aggregate that value into a single scalar value. So if I press on OK and make a visual to look at the total sales, what we will get is, so if I use this card visual and provide one total sales column in it, I mean not total sales column, total sales measure in this, then we can get the total sales directly. Now what is the benefit of using this? The benefit is we saved 2 column space in our Power BI file. So imagine if there was, if it could not be done directly like this, what we had to do is, first we had to bring the product price column over here. Then we had to make another column of quantity into price, that would be sales column, and then add a summation on top of that. So we have surpassed 2 columns and so many steps with just one formula. This is how powerful it gets when we mix many functions like many advanced level DAX functions together. So here we mixed iterator function with related function to get a dynamic output without even making a column, without making any column in our raw data. So that's how powerful it gets. For more such videos and more such interesting stuff, do follow our channel.